Hey everyone, welcome back to part 4 of our Amazon car gadget series. These picks are tiny but pack a punch. We've got a mini escape tool, a license plate frame, tire valve caps, and a couple more handy bits. All the product links are in the description below if you want to check them out. Let's get into it. Ever worry about your car door getting stuck after an accident or if you end up in water? The mini emergency escape tool car is a game changer. It lets you quickly break a window to escape, and it's so small, it fits almost anywhere in your car. Ugh, is your factory license plate frame looking worn out or just plain blah? This car license plate frame cover gives your ride an instant style boost while protecting your plate's edges from scuffs and chips. It's such a simple upgrade that totally elevates your car's look. Ever find your tire valve stems rusted or caked with dirt? It looks messy and can even mess with air tightness. These car tire valve caps fix both. They shield valves from rust and gunk while adding a nice touch. That's product number 3 in our 4th video. Ever had your go-to vent air freshener pop right off or a backup phone holder slip mid-bumpy commute? This is product number 4 in video 4, the Car AC outlet vent clip. It locks tight onto most horizontal and vertical vents. No more chasing fallen stuff. Ugh, those tiny, hard-to-reach car interior cracks, road dust, coffee crumbs, pet hairs cling tight, and regular brushes either shed fluff everywhere or scratch soft leather or plastic. This ultra-soft car dust brush grabs every last bit of gunk in seconds, plus it's totally lint-free and gentle enough for every inch of your interior. Alright, which of these 5 gadgets was your favorite? Was it the mini escape tool or the AC vent clip? Go ahead and hit like, then subscribe for more car finds in this series. Every product link is right in the description. Thanks for watching.